We got a great video here from Mike. He's a partner in a cabinet installation company.
Okay.
And like all of us, he's having some challenges with cash flow.
Been there.
Our industry's sales cycles can be anywhere from 4 to 6, even 8 months until we receive full payment. So ensuring that we have sufficient cash to pay for rent, lights, those sorts of things is extremely important and is a bit of a challenge.
Okay. So we've all been there. We've all had cash flow challenges in trying to grow a business. And one of the biggest, I think, factors of success for a business is having access to the cash flow that you need when you need it, so you can take advantage of opportunities that are here now and opportunities that you have in the future. So I definitely have a couple of suggestions. The first one I would do is talk to your customers and look at taking larger deposits or progress payments to provide you with the cash flow that you need. In the construction industry, cabinet installation, anything in our trade world, there's going to be a holdback, and we have to carry that cash flow, which is not a problem if you manage it properly.
Well, the other thing you can do in relation to that is talk to your suppliers, because I know for us, we use some of the same suppliers project after project. So talk to them about what your payment terms are, and perhaps you can ask to increase the payment terms from 30 to 60 days to help with your cash flow.
And if you're a valued customer of theirs, they know that business is coming back, they know they're going to get the cash flow, they'll extend their terms a little bit. One of the best things that we ever did was sit down with RBC and talk about a business line of credit. And we did that proactively. Before that cash crunch comes in and you need cash to operate your business, take your financials, go sit down with your advisor, figure out exactly what you can put together as far as a business line of credit. That will do a few different things. It will help you take smaller deposits from your customers, grow your business, it will help you pay your suppliers, and most importantly, it'll help you sleep at night.